Hello, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey. If you're new here, gotta find all new spots to vlog, but I'm in my new apartment and I want to take you around. Let's do an empty apartment tour before all the move-in chaos commences. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. All right guys, we're gonna do an empty apartment tour. Let me turn all the lights on. Brooks is here. It's a little hot, but okay, so this is the entryway. So we just walked in, our stuff is kind of all over the place. Baby, shh. And you walk in, here is the bathroom. Bathroom, nice rain shower, little thing here. Hello. This is a little, what are these called? I don't know. Mirrors on both sides, you know, the little luxuries. Brooks is freaking out. Okay. Entryway into the bedroom. The bedroom's over here. Nice big window. Here is the bedroom. Our closet. Oh, hi. Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness. Okay. Bedroom right here. Of course, there's nothing in here yet, so there's not much to see. But then here's the hallway down. And here is the main living room. This is everything. The windows, it's so bright in here, and they have like a reflective siding on the back side so they can't see in, but we can see out. It's beautiful. Love all the windows. All right, hi. We're gonna put like a TV here and stuff, but then here is the kitchen. So the kitchen's nice and open. We're gonna put like a dining table here, I think. Kitchen is nice and open and beautiful. White countertops. My little key. Also, the move has destroyed all my nails. Nice backsplash. Love the kitchen. And then of course, the piece de resistance. The fact that we have a washer and dryer in our unit is like life-changing for New York, so happy about that. And then whew, these babies here, it just keeps getting better. We have two huge closets, like huge. Shh, it's okay, B. It's a little freaked out right now. Huge closet number one, and it goes right into, oh, here's Dan, closet number two. All right, and then here is closet number two. So they go in, so if you have anything really large, Brooks, it's okay. Like our ironing board, we could put like across here, but it is a huge, go ahead, come here. You wanna smell in here? It's okay, just us hanging in the closet. He's a little concerned, a little freaked out. He's only ever been in one house. And that is our apartment. Hello. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, come here. Come here. All right, that's the new apartment, guys. Now it's time to move all our stuff in.